is one of the things that came really clear when we looked at like the historical data, just from Passion, over the last 10 years of the early winners that came out of a fund where, so our second fund was the 2015 fund, if you'd sat down with kind of Robert or the partners at the time in kind of 2016 or 2017 and said, which are going to be the big winners in this fund, different set of names to the ones that have actually turned out to be the big winners 10 years later. Even when you've been invested for 12, 18 months, it's not obvious what those big winners are going to be. Otherwise, you'd expect that kind of pre-seed investors would have perfect follow-on track records for where they followed the money on. So, yeah, we've done deals in the last year where we went and showed them to a bunch of other VCs and said, hey, we've committed, we want to back this founder, we think they're doing something interesting. And every other VC said, don't see it, market's too small, it's going to take too long. And we said, that's fine. We'll still do the deal because we like the founders. And there are other VCs who will have done the same to us, where they've said, hey, there's this deal that we're doing in the fintech space. And we've said, don't see it, don't get excited enough about it. And who knows, time will tell. We'll have to check back in 10 years' time, and I'll be able to tell you whether those ones were the right ones or the wrong ones. But it's the real challenge of the game is that the feedback cycles are long for VCs. But we want to make our decisions in isolation and then work with the founders to get the best investors around the cap table. But if everyone else is saying no, we'll double check and think, are we missing something? And we'll probably come to the conclusion, we still like the founders. Let's back them.